Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this Honda Accord. This is 2016, but I think it's 2013 to 2017, similar years. So if you want to get to your fuse box location, OBD port, so there should be, I think, 2 fuse box locations. If you know more, comment below, but I think that's it for this car. So if you look under the steering wheel and you go here, I need some light, there's your fuses. I don't know if you have a location or if you have a cover, but it's located underneath right in here. Also, if you want to get to your OBD port to plug in the computer, it's also right here on this side. I'm not sure if I'm missing anything. It might be something missing here, maybe not. If it is, maybe you have to pull the cover, and it's located right in here. And to get to your second one, you have to open the hood. Mine's open already, and there'll be a second one in there. To get to your second one, it's gonna be right in here. I took my battery off, so don't mind this, but so it's gonna be located right in here. To get to it, you have right here, pull on this, and here that comes off, and one in there. I believe there's 3. Once you pick that up, and there's your fuses. It's located right in there. Relays and fuses, and also location will be on here as well. Once you're done with this, just cover how you took it off. Make sure it clicks. It locks in 3 places, I believe. That'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.